Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to use Phantom Wallet with Raydium. So here's the first step is open Phantom Wallet at your browser on your PC. Once you open Phantom Wallet, then here at the bottom right corner, you have this button of explore or browse, something like this. Just tap on it. Once you click on this button, then you are here on this page. Here what you need to do in trending sites, search for Raydium. If you don't found it, then here at the top you have this search bar. Go there and here search for Raydium. Here you can see the option of Raydium. Just tap on it. Once you tap on it, then automatically you are on this page. Here at the top right corner you have the button of Connect Wallet. Click on it. Once you tap on Connect Wallet, then this type of page will pop up on your screen. Here what you need to do, just click on Agree to Terms button and then tap on Enter Raydium. Once you done this, then here connect your wallet to Raydium, then choose which wallet you want to connect. So here I tap on Phantom. On the right side of the screen, this type of page will appear. Here choose that account of Phantom which you want to connect with Raydium. Once you choose that account, then tap on Connect button. Here you can see successfully Phantom Wallet is connected. So this is the easiest and simplest way to use Phantom Wallet with Raydium. If you found this video helpful, leave a like on my video and do subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press bell icon and leave a comment. Thanks for watching.